Lido, my Leidaiza, home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal Henry Mystic. The other fellow at my side is Albert, my traveling companion, confidant, and rather mischievous partner. Yes, Albert, that's you. Now run along. Shoo. Well, for several years now, Albert and I have traveled the world in search of rare and precious artifacts for you to enjoy as you tour our home in Mystic Manor. These are just a few of our treasures. And here is our latest acquisition, an ancient music box. Legend has it that this charming music box has the power to bring inanimate objects to life with the touch of its enchanting music. Superstition and nonsense. Oh my. Well, we shall see when we open it, shan't we? Albert, there's a little fellow who can't keep his hands off that music box. Yes, you like that box, don't you? We'll examine it later. Now, shoot. Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes. Welcome, one and all.
Ayan yung pinover nila, oh. Ang ganda, no?
I'm gonna go find the little beggar. He's always up to something.
Yan yung palasyo. Ang ganda.
Neto, electric.
Yan o ang sasakyan namin. Mystic Manor. Yan, sakay tayo ng Mystic Mirror. Here we go again. Yan. Sakay tayo ulit.
Ito yung sombrero ko kasi baka mamaya may ano na.
Lumipad. May ano, lumipad na naman tayo. Oo, mga miss.
There's the music box I told you about. I was fine, my little friend.
Nagulat ako dun ah. No, 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 no. No. Oh, no, 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 no.
Albert, there you are. You didn't touch that music box, did you? You never know. The legend just might be true. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor. Cheerio!
Bye-bye. Bye.
請帶齊你嘅隨身物品，從左面落車先。
Oh, tapos na.
多謝。Please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit the carriage to your left. Thank you.
请带好自己的随身物品，从车厢左侧下车，请注意安全。谢谢。
Ayan, tapos na ang show. Okay. So, tapos na naman tayo doon sa Mystic Manor. So, lalabas tayo ngayon sa mga souvenir area again. Hi! Yan tayo. Yan. So, ayan o. Ganda. Diba? Ganda dito. Hi! Yan. Pa-selfie nga tayo dito. Uy, ang ganda niya. Grabe. Gusto ko siya. So, ayan. Wish ko lang makabili ako ng ganito. Ang ganda. Gusto ko mag-uwi. Yan. Picturean ko na lang kasi hindi ako makabili. O, diba? Ganda. Ang daming souvenir dito. Yan o. So, labas na tayo. Ayan. So, tara na. Labas ulit tayo. Nasaan na kaya yung mga kasama ko? Saan na yung mga kasama ko? Ayun, naghahanap sila ng makakain. Gutom na daw sila eh. Ito yung pinasok namin na castle. Ayan, sarado siya ngayon eh. Nire-renovate. Ito naman yung souvenir area. So, tara hantingin natin yung mga kasama ko. Ayun o, bumibili sila. Pumili sila ng putlong. Yan, hotdog.
Is it ready to eat? Thank you.
Nagpa-practice na sila. Saan yung practice mo? Ano? Practice. Ay, ganon ang practice. So, dyan kami nagpila kanina. Ay, ikot pala tayo dito. Ayun o, upuan o. O kaya sa hagdan. Para-paraan. Yan. O, ang ganda dito. Yan po yung castle ng Mystery Mirror. Kaya lang, nire-renovate siya ngayon. So, naka-cover po siya. Yan, nag-enjoy talaga ako dito sa Disney. Grabe, kapagod lang magpila. Ang haba ng pila. So, dito ko na po tinatapos yung ating video. Dito doon sa sinakyan natin na Mystery Mirror. Thank you so much po for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, Lynn Chico Vlogs, and don't forget to ring the bell for more videos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Bye!